القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
In this lesson or in this video, we will do some reading practice, and this reading practice will develop your reading, and not only that, we'll concentrate on some of the important surahs, and the most important surah of the Quran is Surah Al-Fatiha, surah number 1. Okay, now when we have a look at this, the first thing, as I mentioned in the beginning, is we read this first and then we read this. Now Surah Al-Fatiha, there are many opinions whether Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim is part of the surah. The most correct opinion is that Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim is part of the surah. Okay, so we will take this as ayah number 1, which means that whenever you read Al-Fatiha, you have to read Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim with it. Okay, and when beginning the recitation, you must also read A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. Is wajib for everyone to read that as a commandment in the Quran. فَإِذَا قَرَأْتَ الْقُرْآنَ فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ. When you recite the Quran, when you begin reciting the Quran, then you should seek refuge in Allah from the rejected Satan. And this is that. There's a kasra there. I don't know why that is being missed out, but there's a kasra there, but you should memorize this anyway. So we will read this together. I will do it very slowly, so you can also continue and read with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن الرحيم. مالك يوم الدين. مالك يوم الدين. مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. One of the common mistakes here is people say إياك نعبد. We do not stretch it, we just cut it off here, the bottom. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. غير المغضوب عليهم will go through it once completely, and inshallah you can practice as you go along. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.